Relax. Everyone says it. Your meditation teacher, your Tai Chi instructor, your yoga guide. Just relax.
So you relax. You let everything go. Your shoulders drop. Your chest sinks. Your spine rounds. And you wonder why, after 20 minutes of relaxed meditation, your back hurts and you feel exhausted.
Here's what nobody tells you. There's a massive difference between relaxation and collapse. One gives you energy. The other drains you. Today, you're learning the difference and how to fix the most common mistake in meditation, Tai Chi, and Qigong.
Welcome to episode 29 of the Advanced Practice series. In the last 2 episodes, you learned the Tai Chi warm-up and the 6 internal principles. Today, we're addressing the number 1 mistake I see in students, collapsing in the name of relaxation. Before we start, if this series is helping your practice, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. Turn on notifications. We're building the most comprehensive training available. Thank you. In Taoism and Tai Chi, we're constantly told to relax, song, sink, let go, release tension. But most people misunderstand this completely. They think relaxation means letting everything go limp, letting their structure collapse, becoming a rag doll. Then they wonder why. Their back hurts after meditation. They feel drained after Tai Chi. They can't hold standing meditation for more than 2 minutes. Their breathing feels restricted. They never feel that energy people talk about. The problem isn't the practice. The problem is their collapsing, not relaxing. Here's the key distinction.
Collapse, structure fails. Weight hangs on ligaments and joints. Relaxation, structure maintains. Muscles release unnecessary tension.
Think of a tent. The poles hold it up. Structure. The fabric drapes over the poles. Relaxation. If the poles collapse, the whole tent falls. That's what most people do with their body. But if the poles stay up and the fabric is loose, that's true relaxation. Structure with softness. Today, you're learning 1. The 3 most common collapse patterns and how to spot them. 2. The Daoist alignment principle. Stack, don't slack. 3. A complete body scan for proper alignment. 4. This is going to transform your practice immediately. The 3 common collapse patterns. Let me show you the 3 most common ways people collapse when they think they're relaxing. The sunken chest. When people relax, they often let their chest sink inward. The sternum drops. The shoulders round forward. It looks relaxed, but watch what happens. Feel that? Breathing becomes shallow. The lungs can't expand fully. Energy feels stuck. This is collapse, not relaxation. Now watch the correct way. The chest stays gently open, not puffed out like a soldier, just naturally open. The sternum has a slight lift. Feel the difference. Full, easy breath. Energy can flow. This is relaxed and structurally sound. Not military posture, not forced, just a gentle, natural lift, like there's a string pulling gently up from the center of your chest. Then, relax everything else around that lift. The rounded shoulders. Second common collapse. shoulders rolling forward. People think relax shoulders means let them fall forward. But this compresses the chest, restricts breathing, and puts strain on the upper back and neck. After 20 minutes, your upper back is screaming. The correct alignment: shoulders down and back, not pulled back forcefully, just naturally settling into their sockets. Imagine your shoulder blades are sliding down your back, like water running down. They settle into place. Then everything relaxes around that placement. Place your shoulders correctly, then relax. Structure first, then softness, not the other way around. The locked or hyperextended knees. Third collapse pattern, and this one is sneaky. Locked or hyperextended knees. When your knees lock, your weight shifts backward into your heels. Your lower back hyperextends. Your whole structure becomes rigid and unstable. You're actually more tense, not less. Proper alignment. Soft knees. There's always a micro bend. Your weight stays centered over your feet, not in your heels. This is weight-bearing relaxation. Your structure holds you up, so your muscles can truly relax. Even when standing straight, there's always that slight softness. This allows your weight to sink down properly. Song from episode 28. Now let's talk about the core principle that prevents all collapse. In Daoist practice, we say your bones should stack, not slack. Each part of your skeleton stacks on top of the part below it, creating a stable structure. Think of building blocks. When they're stacked properly, the tower is stable with minimal effort. When they're misaligned, the tower requires constant muscular effort to prevent collapse. The proper stack. Bottom to top. Weight evenly distributed, not rolled in or out.
Ankles. Neutral. Neither collapsed inward, nor torqued.
Knees. Soft, slightly bent, tracking over the feet.
Hips. Neutral. Neither tucked, nor arched.
Spine. Natural curves maintained, not flattened, not exaggerated. Rib cage. Stacked over pelvis, not thrust forward or collapsed back. Shoulders. Settled in sockets, blades down the back. Neck. Long. Head balanced on top, not jutting forward. Head. Crown lifting gently toward sky. When all these stack properly, your skeleton holds you up. Your muscles can truly relax because they're not fighting gravity or holding up collapsed structure. Stand as you normally would for meditation. Now answer these questions. Can you breathe fully and easily? If no, chest or shoulders collapsed. Can you stand for 5 minutes without strain? If no, structure isn't stacked. Does your weight feel evenly distributed? If no, knees or hips misaligned. Can you move easily in any direction? If no, you are locked, not aligned. True alignment feels both stable and free, like you could stand there all day or move instantly if needed. Let's do a complete alignment check together. Stand with me, starting from the ground up. Feet. Stand naturally. Feel your feet on the ground. Weight evenly distributed. Not all in your heels, not all in your toes. Centered. Knees. Soften your knees. There's a micro bend. They're alive, springy, not locked. Your weight can drop through them. Let your hips be neutral, not tucked under, not sticking out, just naturally stacked over your legs. If you tucked your tailbone, release it slightly.
Lower back. Your lower back has a natural curve. Don't flatten it. Don't exaggerate it. Let it be natural. Your weight drops through your spine into your legs.
Rib cage. Stack your rib cage directly over your pelvis. Don't thrust it forward. Don't collapse it back. Stacked. Your breath should feel easy.
Let your sternum have a gentle lift, not forced, just a slight natural openness. Now relax everything around that lift.
Shoulders. Let your shoulders slide down your back and settle. Down and back. Then release. Feel them heavy, but in the right place. Neck. Lengthen your neck. Imagine a string gently pulling the crown of your head towards the sky. Your chin naturally tucks slightly. Your head balances on top of your spine. Your head floats at the top. It's not jutting forward. It's not pulling back. It's balanced, effortless. Now stand with everything stacked. Breathe. Notice. You feel stable. You feel light. You can breathe fully. This is the paradox. You're structured and relaxed. Stack and softness. This is song. True Daoist relaxation. Now, let's apply this to your actual practice. Most people collapse when sitting. The same principles apply. Sit bones grounded. Spine naturally curved and lengthened. Chest gently open. Shoulders down and back. Head balanced on top. Stack your sitting posture. Then relax into it. Everything we just practiced. This is standing meditation with proper alignment. Your structure allows you to stand effortlessly for 20, 30, 40 minutes because you're stacked, not slacking. When you move, the alignment doesn't change. Your spine stays stacked. Your head stays balanced. Your knees stay soft. The movement flows through proper structure, not despite it. This isn't just for practice. This is how humans are designed to stand, sit, and move. Bring this alignment into everything. Your body will thank you. One principle. Complete transformation. Collapse. Structure fails. Muscles compensate. Energy drains. Relaxation. Structure maintains. Muscles release. Energy flows. The difference is alignment. Stack your bones properly. Then everything can truly relax. Every day. 1. Do this alignment check before meditation or practice. 2 minutes. 2. Notice when you collapse during the day, especially sitting at desk. 3. Restack and relax. 4. Feel the difference in your energy by the end of the week. Next episode, Tai Chi combat applications. Now that you have proper structure, we're going deeper into the 3 treasures of Daoist practice. You need this foundation before we can work with energy properly. If this fixed a problem you didn't know you had, please like this video. And subscribe if you haven't. Hit that bell icon. We're 3 episodes into advanced practice, with 17 more to go. You don't want to miss any of them. Comment below. Stacked, not slacked. Or tell me which collapse pattern you discovered in yourself. Thank you for aligning with me today. I'll see you in the next episode. Structure enables relaxation. Alignment creates freedom.